Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. Well, while I've got you, why don't you check on my package? This package. Boom, there it is. Look at that package. Wonder what's in this bad boy. Let's find out. Sorry about the noise, cat friend. I said I was sorry. To be fair, this is my bed. And my room, for that matter. I mean, fuck you, why don't you pay rent? Whoa. Dang. Look at that shit. That's the Green Lantern. That's not what I ordered. But it's okay. I can tell it's Spider-Man on the inside. Oh, fancy. They gave me a zippy bag. Wow. So that makes 4 different bags. Here's the Green Lantern. Get that shit out of here. Did you see that? Did you fucking see that? That was incredible. Get out of here for real now. First impressions. This is already looks to be a lot better quality than I anticipated. I mean, to be fair, it was $150, give or take, but it's looking nice from right here already. Interesting smell. It smells like, oh, paint. That's what it is. It smells like paint, like straight up house paint. Alright, let's actually get this. Here's the headpiece. I did not get a, what the fuck do they call them? You know, the plastic piece, the mask, the plastic mask. What the fuck do they call them? It's the plastic mask that you put on and you strap it to your face and then you pull it over. It makes people's heads look like alien heads. That's why I didn't want to get it. This seam here, I couldn't even tell that was a zipper. It just looks like a seam, but nah. This bitch actually unzips to go onto your face. I like that. Oh, here we go. Boom, baby. Jesus Christ. Is this too... This might be too tall for me. I mean... I ordered an XL because I'm 5'10", and the XL fits a 5'9" to 5'11". This will be interesting to see how this goes, but look at that shit. I am really excited to put this on my body. There's the back, I think? No, this is the front. Yeah, this is the front. This is the back. Awesome. I also got the shoes built in. Interesting. I don't know how to feel about this. Again, this is going to mean nothing until I actually put this on my body. That's not for this video. That's for a different video. Unboxing done. Alright. Unbagging, technically. I'm sorry for wasting all of your time. I'm gonna go put this on my body now. Bye! Look man, I don't know how to end things. What do you want from me? Hey, if you made it here, thanks for watching. If you want to see me actually review this suit, rather than just doing a really stupid unboxing, well, why don't you go ahead and click right up here? And you know what? I bet there's some other shit for you to click. Right down here. And perhaps a third one right here. And maybe if you click here, you could subscribe. I don't know. Or don't. It's your life. Bye.